the 4 path. There goes a couple of deer. Wasn't expecting that one. Oh, that's quite normal here in the woods. We've got a decent amount of rain here lately, but according to the U.S. drought monitor, which has not been updated since November 12th, we're still at a moderate to severe drought here in southern West Virginia. Of course, that's not counting take consideration all the rain and that little bit of snow we got this past week, which wasn't much snow. I'm filming this on Sunday, November 17th, by the way, is when I'm actually filming this video. Although it'll be interesting to see once the U.S. drought monitor map for this area is updated to see the change in the drought, because this has been the driest year since 1996. And that's something I do remember. I was a kid, just a kid in grade school. Actually, I might have been in the 7th grade during the last drought. No, 96 I was in the 6th grade. It's 97 I went to 7th grade. So that's the year I went from grade school to middle school. It's the last time it was this severely dry. Although we have got a decent amount of rain the past few weeks, so that's a plus. Keep hearing what sounds like a train. Watch me get down here and the train actually go by, because the railroad tracks is up the hill there. Okay, that's a log. For a second there, I thought it was the top half of a telephone pole. It's not unusual to find rotten telephone poles here, or pieces of rotten telephone poles. That's the roar of the river, I think. Okay, if that, I don't know if that's a train or not. It is, watch me not get this on video. But the signals were red both ways, and I started this way. But it's also time for one to come through. I'm gonna head back up the hill just in case though. I started to walk down here instead of the beautiful view of the riverbank. The river's almost back to normal. I think it's still a few feet below normal. Well, I can't count that the water line. That looks like... No, I don't think that's the water line. Well, maybe the river's probably only a few more feet to go, and it will be back to normal. 2 at the most, 1 at the least. But there's some good fishing in the river here. Yep, that's actually a train. And I'm down here in the riverbank. I knew there was a train sound out here. Well, I won't film that train. Probably that long empty coal that comes through about this time anyways. I saw there's something that Prince waiting to come, Quinamont near, wait a minute, Quinamont and Prince, so this came from that way. It's heading towards Thurman. It's gone already. Okay. That was nothing but a set of engines going by. That's all it was. I didn't miss anything exciting. Well, actually, maybe I did. They might have had a couple of tank cars on there. Yeah, I bet that's exactly what it was. They probably had a couple of those tank cars to drop off to R.J. Corman for Eagle Carbon. Maybe. Or it could have been just the engines. Oh well. It's funny. Turns out that really was a train. Yeah. Okay, the river only has a little bit to go because this area here should be underwater when the river's running normal, which ain't really much of anything. Yeah, there goes the train around the curve. After the camera picked it up, I seen the engine and it's gone now. And I'm sorry the camera didn't pick it up because that's too far away for the camera to pick up. Oh well, that's exactly what it was. I saw an engine and maybe 2 black tank cars, which I'll still get on video most likely, because if they come up through Mount Hope on R.J. Corman in the morning, I'll get them on video. Well, depending on what time they come up, because if they don't come up before I have to go to work, I won't get on video. It's amazing views here. Looks like an old road over there. Well, parts of old road. It's been washed out over the years. Because you can see it right there. And you can see it over there at the base of those rocks a little bit. But then you see a gap in it there and a gap in it over there. But still, I might miss that train, but it's worth coming down here. Amazing views. Interesting tree. Well, I'm gonna head back up because not far from here, probably 8-10 miles at the most, it goes from single track to double track. There might be an eastbound train waiting on that one to clear to come this way. Oh well.